Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, who is most merciful and beneficent. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you all? Today I am going to teach you Islamic studies for grade 7 and I am your teacher Sana Sikandar. We will learn chapter number 3 of unit 2 and its name is Zakat. And in this chapter we will learn about what is Zakat, who are the recipients of Zakat and why Zakat is important in Islam. According to this call, don't feel ashamed when giving little for charity. That is because there is always goodness in giving, no matter how little it is. So whatever you have, give that little amount in the way of Allah, no matter how little it is. A question arises in our mind: what is differentiate between zakat and sadaqah? On this slide there are few points through which we understand the meanings of sadaqah and zakat. Zakat is one of the 5 fundamental concepts, also known as the pillar of Islam. This make it compulsory act, and therefore all Muslims must give zakat provided they meet certain conditions. Pay zakat and charity extinguishes sin as water extinguishes fire. This is the hadith of Tirmizi. Muslim during one lunar year, it is important to note that only the beginning and end of year are taken into account. Muslims must possess a minimum zakatable amount of wealth both at the beginning and the end of the year for them to pay zakat items like gold, silver, paper, currency held, or cash in the bank. There are 3 important types of zakat. Zakatul Fitr, which we have to give at the end of the month of Ramadan, and Zakatul Mal, which is given on the gold, silver and currency. According to Holy Quran, a Muslim should give zakat to the following types of people. There are few lists like Fukara, Masakin, Amil, Muallaf, Rikab, Ibn Sabil, Gharimin, Insaf fi Sabilillah. And here is the list of the people who are eligible for receiving zakat. This is the table of animals, that on how much amount of animals we have to give zakat. Zakat is compulsory for every Muslim adult who is mentally sane and also possesses an amount of wealth which is above the nisab. It is minimum amount of Muslim must have before being obliged to zakat. The Shafi, Maliki, Hanbali and Hanfi, all schools of thought, have similar view on this. However, according to the schools of thought, zakat is also payable by children and insane as long as their wealth is above the nisab. The nisab is 7.5 worth of gold and 52.5 tolas of silver. Importance of zakat is that to purify the wealth, purifies the possession and spirituality of one who gives it. It creates a sense of self-discipline and shows your obedience to Allah Ta'ala. Zakat has many benefits. It reduces the class struggle and it strengthens the middle class, cures the social disease and liberates society from the interest. By giving zakat, we gain the pleasures, inner satisfaction and happiness of Allah, and society become pure. There will be no theft in the society. By giving zakat, a person shows that he obeying the rules set by Allah Ta'ala His obedience bring him prosperity in both in this world and the hereafter. Giving zakat brings you closer to your God and increase your faith in Him. The Prophet ﷺ said, "Whoever gives away charity the size of a date, which is earned lawfully, since Allah only accepts the good lawful things, Allah will indeed take it with His right hand and cause it to grow for its honor, just as one of you raises up his colt to the point that charity will become like the size of a mountain." This is hadith of Bukhari and Muslim. The importance of zakat in society. By giving zakat on proper time, on the proper people, this world will also become the paradise. All the people and members of the society can take the pleasures of life. Zakat is an important duty. To conclude this chapter, I would like to quote the verse of Quran here. True piety is this, to believe in God and the last day, the angels, the book, and the prophets, who give of one substance, however cherished, to kinsman and orphan, the needy, the traveler, beggars, and to ransom the slave, to perform the prayer, to pay zakat. This is ayat number 177 of Surat Baqarah. It means zakat is not a voluntary charity or tax, but it is an obligation, as it is one of the 5 main pillars of Islam. By giving zakat, a Muslim acknowledges that everything belongs to Allah and we should use it to remember Allah. When to give zakat? Now the question is that at which time? The selected date does not have to be in Ramadan. We can give on some other time also. It is, however, more virtuous to donate it in Ramadan. At our one thing will be calculated 70 times. So don't miss to give zakat in the month of Ramadan. This is the best time to give zakat to the poor. Thank you so much. It is all about from my side.